Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like buy or sell. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call it short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them gain big profits. While I'm still in my same big profit. They used to watch me move them packets. Stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Big profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Big profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Big profit. That TTG money gang. Big profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Parnati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And if you didn't know, we were a finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards Best Data Analysis Tool of 2023. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade, we also cover long-term investing. There is literally something for everybody at True Trading Group. Now, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth easily $5,000, $6,000 a year on their own. It's actually, unfortunately, it's the reason why most retail traders don't use these tools, even though they give you an edge. That is why we've spent years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools on our platform at no additional cost to our members. These tools include Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed with congressional trading data, a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money, Trading Views premium charting software, the Trade Idea Scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, and so much more that I'll get into later on the stream. But when you become a member, of course, you're going to get all of our trade alerts. Of course, you're going to get all of our courses, right? But you also are going to get all of these tools. We're going to set you up with everything you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you are ever going to find. Not to mention, of course, you guys will be getting access to all of the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that collectively have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 4 years. And in case you're wondering who I am and why I should listen to this guy in the Yankee hat, it's because I did not figure this out by watching YouTube videos, and I sure as hell didn't figure it out by sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college, where they had me go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened. And that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. Our friends that are joining us right now, tuning in from the Stockmaster app, welcome. You all need to see this before tomorrow. Everyone that's tuning in from the Stockmaster app, welcome. You guys all need to see this before tomorrow. It's going to be a big week. We're starting off earnings season. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have all come to the right place, because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here where myself and other TTG Pro trading mods and special guests will drop golden nuggets to give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Before we get started this evening, we do have to give a big shout out and a big thank you to our partners at Benzinga. For those of you guys that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools, yet they still fully endorse the True Trading Group platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and for their community. So we're grateful to Benzinga for the opportunity to educate their community and to also offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed with congressional trading data for just, which is worth over $1,000 a year if you guys were to go directly to Benzinga. It is included when you join True Trading Group as part of your TTG annual membership. So folks, if you hear from Benzinga, you're in the right place. And for all of our friends tuning in from the Stockmaster app, you too are in the right place, because you need to know this and you need to see this before tomorrow. So what's up, folks? Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed the extra day off. Hope you guys are ready to get down to business and make some damn money. So welcome to the live stream. I'll be your host for the rest of this evening. We got the start of earnings season. Okay, earnings started on Friday. The first week really kicks off and gets underway here this week. It's going to be all about guidance. We're going to see, where companies are at, all that, right? You're going to get all that stuff this week. Look at my face, because tonight I'm going to give you my exact game plan on how I intend to make money this week. That is what you're going to get on here from me tonight. My exact game plan on how I intend on making money, and that's important. Because making money and helping other people make money is literally what I do for a living. So you're going to want to pay attention, because I'm very good at my job. I'm not perfect, but I'm damn good at my job. Now, I learned a very sad thing on Friday. Something I've never, literally just, I learned a new term. I learned something new that exists that I did not know about on Friday. And it's something called Quitter's Day. Have you guys heard about this? It's called Quitter's Day. And if you don't know what it is, I'm going to tell you, because I didn't know what it is. It's called Quitter's Day. Basically, what this is that 2 weeks into the new year, or basically the second Friday in January, is known as Quitter's Day. This is the day that statistically and historically people give up on their New Year's resolutions. They throw in the towel. It's called Quitter's Day. And it's such a big deal. Like, it's such a prevalent thing that Fortune magazine actually did a story on this last week. And the article goes on and talks about how you have this professor, like Katie Milkman, who is a professor at the Wharton School of Business. She said there's a lot of features in the human operating system that serves as obstacles to change. Things that we just as human beings have implanted inside of us that prevent us from making changes. Now, that's not the end of what she said, but if you were to guess what the biggest obstacle to change is for someone, what would you think it is? Like, think about it for a second. You don't have to answer in chat, but think about for a second. What do you think the biggest obstacle for change is for someone? Because maybe the answer here is going to surprise you. Maybe it might even be a little bit of like an aha moment for you. According to this professor at the Wharton School of Business, some small no-name college, some community college in Pennsylvania, the number one change or obstacle to change is from a craving of instant gratification. And then losing motivation and choosing the path of least resistance. That means most people literally, and I mean, you have to ask yourself how many people on here consider yourself to be a level-headed person. Like, you hear the saying, we say it in TTG like all the time, there's no such thing as get rich quick. There's only get wealthy smart, right? There are no overnight millionaires. And you hear it, and people hear it, and they think to themselves, I know that. There's no such thing as get rich quick. I know. Well, apparently, people don't know. They don't know that as well as they think they do. Or maybe they don't believe it as much as they think they might. Because 2 weeks into their resolutions, into the new year, because of the lack of instant gratification, most people choose to quit because it is the path of least resistance. This is such a thing that you have professors at the most prestigious business school in America and a respected financial publication like Fortune magazine writing articles and conducting studies on it because it's that big of a phenomena. It is deeply saddening to me that this day even exists. And look, I'm not perfect. Everything I set out to do, I didn't just knock it out of the park either, right? Like, there's been plenty of things that I started, I said I would come back to, right? That's human. I'm human. But not the things that matter to me. Not the things that dictate my ability to be financially independent. Think about this. You spend all year telling yourself, I'm going to do it next year. Next year is going to be different. New year, new me. I hate getting up. I hate my job. I want to do this for myself. You're at the checkout counter. You got to put some items back because you're over your budget. Oh, honey, we'll take that special vacation. We'll take it next year, right? We're going to make the sacrifices now. And then you're like, I'm going to be guns blazing going into the new year. And then just like that, poof, 2 weeks in, you quit. That is unbelievable to me. My friends, I can't tell you how disappointed I was to hear that this, I never heard of this, but I'm deeply saddened to hear that it exists. I'm saddened it's also something that I just simply do not relate to. It's something that TTG members that are on this live stream that they do not relate to. Now, sure, we can understand it. We can empathize from a distance. But we don't quit 2 weeks into something. We stick with it. We make our mistakes together. We learn together. We fix it together. We move forward together. This is why we say welcome to the family whenever someone joins True Trading Group, because it makes you think, right? Like it makes you think. You hear this statistic all the time. They're like, oh, 92% of traders fail, right? You've all heard that statistic. Well, how much of that has to do with Johnny New Trader who opens up a Robinhood account, throws a couple $1,000 into it that he didn't have to throw in there to begin with, follow some random stock pick or just blindly buys Tesla call options, get their ass handed to them, and then goes back to their 9 to 5 with their tail between their legs, trying to find ways to pick up extra overtime. I wonder how much of that stat is fed by people like Johnny New Trader. I wonder how much of that 92% stat is fed by everyone who celebrates Quitter's Day. Usain Bolt said very famously once that I trained 4 years to run 10 seconds, and people are willing to quit after just a couple of months. Well, I can tell you this based on surveys, based on data. I can tell you that 92% of members of True Trading Group are not failing, not even close. And what is it? Why? Is it that TTG exists in a vacuum? Are we somehow super special and exempt to this statistic? You know what? You got me. All these people are just that much smarter, right? They just pick up all these extra complex concepts. Or maybe we're just lucky. Maybe we're just luckier people. That's not it. It is amazing what access to the right education, the right tools, and a supportive community does for your bottom line. It becomes a recipe for success. There's no gimmicks or super top secret special patterns or AI algorithms that are going to make you a millionaire. It doesn't exist. None of it exists. You see, what any experienced trader will let you know is that trading is a lonely sport. And there is strength in numbers. And when you mix the right education with the right tools, and then you pepper on top the right community, it becomes very difficult. Not impossible, obviously. We don't have a 100% success rate at True Trading Group, but it becomes a lot more difficult to fail. And again, listen, I'm not saying that everybody at True Trading Group is killing it and everybody is making money. We have over 10,000 members in 115 different countries. Not every single person is killing it, but the vast majority of them are. And I will prove it to you right now. Don't just take my word for it. Members of True Trading Group that are on this live stream, if you are making money and becoming better traders because of True Trading Group, I would like for you to type the number 1 inside of chat right now. Just go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now if you are making money and you are becoming a better trader because of TTG. Now, the people that are on here that are not part of this community yet, pay attention to how many people you see type the number 1. These are your friends, your family members, and your coworkers. These are your peers. They've had all the exact same excuses that you have given yourself, and yet here they are now telling you they're making money. Is this because they're smarter than you or because they're luckier than you? No. So then why are these people not falling into that 92% statistic? What you're seeing right now is people from all walks of life all levels of education, all spectrums of the economic class, all ranges of account sizes. You're seeing all of it. These people are no different than you. They are you. These are real people, folks, experiencing real results, not because I'm the greatest trader in the world and not because they just blindly follow what I do. They're experiencing real results, not because I'm the best trader in the world, but because I believe that we at True Trading Group have built the best platform for retail traders that exists in the world with regards to education, community, and tools. And I don't think it's even close. One of the few places where people just like you have a real chance at achieving their financial goals, becoming independent, not having to compromise, being in control, being the captain of your own ship. And look, you don't have to, like, some people think like, oh, well, I got to do this full time. It has to be all that I focus on. No, it does not. You don't have to be obsessed with trading. Yes, you can be a full-time trader, right? We have many people that started True Trading Group with a job and now they've become full-time traders. We have many people that have accomplished that. But you don't have to be a full-time trader. You can do this while you are at work. Over 82% of our members have full-time jobs. They work over 40 hours a week. They have incredibly busy schedules. They have all the excuses in the world if they wanted to make them. But that's what I mean when I said before. These members of True Trading Group and myself, we cannot relate to Quitter's Day. Because although they have tons of excuses on why they should not have signed up for True Trading Group, oh, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, this, that, and the other thing, they're on here. Oh, I can't make a trade because my kids, or I got to get, permission from my spouse and all this other stuff, whatever, right? The truth is that these people, when it came time for a gut check, they couldn't find one damn good, valid reason not to. Plenty of excuses, but not one valid reason. And because they couldn't find one valid reason, they dove in, they made this work, and they are now reaping the benefits and will continue to reap the benefits. They didn't have to quit their jobs. They didn't have to have hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in the bank to get started. Some people, in fact, a lot of people that after they join True Trading Group, a lot of people, after they pay the membership fee, do not have a lot of money to start with in their trading account. And honestly, it's almost preferable, honestly, because it forces people to develop risk management, forces them to save up money to start trading with, and they can start practicing trading on maybe on a simulator and trading with fake money. Our saying at True Trading Group is learn, trade, profit, not trade, profit, learn. That's for a very specific reason. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to get started. I'll prove that to you as well. Members of True Trading Group, can you guys just do me a favor? Those of you that started after you joined our membership, those of you that had less than $1,000 in your account, can you just comment in chat right now what you started with? If you want to share where you are today, you can do that as well. But share with at least what did you start with when you joined True Trading Group? Those of you that started with less than $1,000. Terry Callahan says, I'm proud of all of my TTG course badges. Each one represents my time spent engaging in the best trading education platform available. Never again will I rely on a random tip from a so-called expert. Hell yeah, Terry. Terry Callahan, hell yeah, brother. Great job. Let me read some of these comments that are coming out here. Let's see. We've got Milk Dud, $500. David, $500. Juno Me, 300. Swing Surgeon, 500. Ed, 1,000. Justin, 1,500. Heather, 400. Jeff, 750. 250, 1,000. 500. 200. 500. And I pay all my bills now. No sweat, says Ty D. 500. $100. $200 to $1,400. $800 I started with. $500 to $1,000. Here's B. John, $500. I don't need to keep reading all these comments, but you guys get the point. These are all people that started with less than $1,000 in their account. $250 for Joseph. Sarah, $150. Guys, it really, truly does sadden me that this holiday even exists, because I know what this can do for people. I see it every day. I hear the stories from members. the positive impacts that this has had on our members' lives, I see it every single day. The problem is so many people get added to that 92% statistic because they are willing to quit if they do not realize instant gratification, if they do not get rich quick, if they do not turn $500 into $10,000 in 2 weeks, they quit. That's why the 92% number is so high. It all makes sense now. This is why 92% of traders fail. And it's why so many members of True Trading Group succeed. We are not the same. We do not participate in Quitter's Day. It is amazing to me what these people have been able to achieve. And it is devastating to think what all of these other people have so willingly and easily decided to give up on. There are so many million-dollar traders out there that never made it past 2 weeks, that never made it past 2 months because they quit, having never realized the potential that they had. Mem says, sad to say, I didn't listen at the beginning and I traded away $6,500. I should have listened, invested it, and traded to learn first. Still glad to be here. This is the way. Mems, I commend you for recognizing and owning that mistake, but from learning from it and for not participating in Quitter's Day. So Mems, my hat goes off to you for not participating in Quitter's Day and for to still be here. And now you're with True Trading Group. And now we're going to do things the right way. It's devastating what people have given up on, but that doesn't have to be you. It doesn't have to be your story. You want to know the one and only cool thing about Quitter's Day is that you don't have to participate in it. I didn't even know this thing existed until this weekend. You do not have to participate in this holiday. This is not Kim Jong-un's birthday in North Korea and you must participate. You do not have to participate in Quitter's Day. It's optional, folks. You can choose to not quit. You can dig in. We can help you. And I'm going to give you a chance to not quit right now. I'm going to give you a chance to not participate in Quitter's Day. So if you're new, pay attention. Because tonight at midnight, the price of our membership is going up to $1,500, but it's not there right now. It should have already been there. It's not there right now. We're going to give you a final chance to take advantage of this. One final chance to take advantage of this. Do not put this off another year. You will hate yourself for it. Don't worry about what other people think. Don't quit. Don't give up. Stop making excuses when you know damn well that you can't find one valid good reason. True Trading Group banks on the success. We bank, honestly, the success of our entire company on whether or not our members succeed or fail. We have a 78% renewal rate at True Trading Group. You understand what that means? 78% of our members stay with us after they join. Watch this. Members of True Trading Group, just do me a favor, type the number 2 if you're a lifetime member or you've just been a member for longer than 1 year. Just type the number 2, please, inside of chat. For people that are on here that are not members, just see how many people type the number 2. And while you see these people type the number 2, let's run through a hypothetical. Let's say you join True Trading Group right now, January 15, 2024. Let's fast forward a year from now, calendar 1/15/2025. It's time for your membership to renew. Let's pretend you made no money. Worse, you lost money. You learned nothing. Are you going to renew your membership? Of course not. Why would you? I wouldn't expect you to. But if you made money, you got a positive return on your investment, you learned, would you renew your membership? Yes. Because you're getting more money in return than what you are spending. Of course you would. That's why all these people have. We have less than a 2.5% refund rate at True Trading Group. And folks, we double down on this. We double down on betting our success as a company on our member success. It's the exact reason why we put our money where our mouth is by offering you a double your money back guarantee. Let me explain to you how this works. When you join True Trading Group, we offer a double your money back guarantee because we believe so strongly in what we have created, this platform, and its ability to help you reach your goals, that we're willing to give you double your money back if you fail. How do we do this? Let's say you join right now. Okay. The membership price tonight, it's normally $2,212. Tonight, and only tonight until midnight, you can get a 57% discount, which brings the price down to $950. So you would join tonight, you'd pay $950. That's it for the whole year. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. And if you are still unable, and you have all year to do that, by the way, you don't have to do all that within like 30 days. You have the whole year, take your time, go at your own pace. If you cannot make enough winning trades to equal the $950 membership fee, if you can't do that at least one time during your membership, we will then give you back $1,900. That's double what you're going to pay to join our community. The refund policy is directly on ttgoffer.com. Pull up ttgoffer.com. First of all, every single item that you see on that page is included for the $950. You will not pay $1 extra. There are no upsells for anything you see on that page. The double your money back guarantee is also right there on that page. Yes, it is real. Go read it. So if you can make the $950 back at least once during the membership, we will give you back $1,900. And again, we can do that because our refund rate is less than 2.5%. Our retention rate is 78%. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. All you need to do is use this coupon code, TTG121. Now, when you go to ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,000. You must enter the coupon code manually, TTG121. Then click apply code and the price drops to $950 for the entire year. And I've got good news. We've got laptops. Okay. We have not had laptops for a while. And folks, honestly, we were going to wait to give the laptops tomorrow because the price is going up at midnight tonight. We were just going to give the laptops tomorrow at the higher price point. But honestly, we got our hands on a couple of laptops, and in honor of this BS Quitters Day, I'm going to try to remove every single excuse and obstacle that is preventing you from change. And I'm going to just give it to you tonight. We have 20 of them. So now anyone that joins True Trading Group tonight, you got a 57% discount, a double your money back guarantee, and you also have a brand new Windows 11 laptop, Microsoft 365 included for a year. Listen to me carefully. We have not had laptops for a while. These will not last. It is totally free. We even cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. As long as you live on planet Earth, I will get you this laptop. Shipping is on us. How do you know you're going to get one of the laptops? Because we only have 20 of them available. When you go to ttgoffer.com, if you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. Enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop to $950. Check out, you're good to go. You don't have to enter your address. When you join, you're going to get a welcome email. That welcome email will have instructions on how to claim your laptop. Guys, that's it right there. There's your laptop. Brand new Asus laptop. It's Windows 11, Microsoft 365. It's right there. You can use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell the damn thing on eBay and put the money back in your account. I don't care. It's our gift to you when you join True Trading Group. There are 20 of them available here this evening. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, see the laptop, get the laptop, done deal. Now, the W money back guarantee is there for peace of mind. I don't think you need it. Is the laptop real? You might be like, there's no way these people offer double your money back and a laptop. Watch this. Members of True Trading Group, is the laptop real? Yes or no? Very simple question. Yes or no? Is the laptop real? Yes or no? Very simple question. Very straightforward. Members of True Trading Group, you tell me, is the laptop real? Yes or no? It's real. We haven't had them in a while. Honestly, we've had like the holidays. We have relations with wholesalers, and the holidays have just been crazy. We couldn't get our hands on a nice batch of laptops over the holidays, but I guess the holiday craze has kind of slowed down, and we were able to get our hands on a couple of more laptops. So we will be offering them here tonight. So the next 20 people that join will be getting a free laptop and the $950 price point. The price is jumping to $1,500 after midnight tonight. You can get it now for $950 and the free laptop. Laptops are first come, first serve. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, do not hesitate to text us. We are fully transparent. We are an open book. The phone number is at the bottom of your screen. 1-888-306-8783. Again, 1-888-306-8783. Text that phone number with any questions that you have. Also, if you used to be a member or you used to be a trial member, you must text this number because we have to whitelist your email address in order to give you the $950 price point. Okay, so if you guys want this deal that we're offering and you used to be a member and you want to come home, or maybe you used to be a trial member at some time in the past, or maybe you're a trial member right now, you have to text that number so we can just whitelist your email address and give you guys the $950 price point. Okay? Guys, again, TTG, offer.com, TTG 121 coupon code, click apply code, price drops down to $950. Do not celebrate Quitter's Day. You have a choice. That $950 price point tonight will also be your renewal price going forward. So now remember, 78% of our members stay with us. So I'm confident you're going to want to stay with us as well. So our membership next year could be $2,400. It doesn't matter. You will only pay the $950 when it comes time to renew. You're grandfathering yourself in. You're locking yourself in at the $950 price point. And again, folks, you do not need to enter your address to get the laptop. You're going to get a welcome email after you join. There will be instructions in the welcome email how to claim your free laptop. TTG, offer.com, TTG 121, click apply code, price drops to $950. See a laptop, you're getting one. Double your money back guarantee for peace of mind. I don't think you need it, considering our refund rate is well under 2.5%. If our refund rate was like 12%, 15%, I would not be able to offer you double your money back. But since it's so damn low, I can. And I will, to prove to you how much we believe that we have created the greatest platform that exists for retail traders. And our members will tell you the exact same thing. It's your time to see it and experience it for yourself. Text us with any questions. 1-888-306-8783. Now, let's roll on over to the charts. Let's talk about how we're going to make some money this week. The SPY has been pushing up against the all-time highs for the last couple of weeks now and has been unable to break it. Now, I'll show you right now on my chart. You guys can all see this. Resistance right here, December and January. December of 21, January of 22. That's your all-time high. Now let's zoom it in. Here we are. There's your all-time high sitting there, acting as resistance, right? Acting as resistance. Futures are trading to the downside right now as we speak. We have to welcome Omar. Omar, welcome to the TTG family. Everybody welcome Omar. Guys, Omar just joined, which means now we're down to 19 laptops. These laptops are going to go quick. I'm telling you now, because we haven't had them in a while and everybody loves free stuff. So again, it's a Windows 11 laptop, Microsoft 365. We got to welcome Jess. Jess just joined. Tony just joined. Gerard just joined. What is that now? 16? Is that 4? 4 came through. 16 laptops now remain. I told you they're going to go quick. Do not wait for me to finish this live stream. They might not last till the end of this live stream. Go directly to open a web browser right now. Go directly to ttgoffer.com. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $950. See a laptop? You're getting one. Hurry up. Check out. You don't have to enter your address. Be on the lookout for the welcome email, which has instructions how to claim that laptop. Check out. Join the family. Get your button chat. Download the mobile app. Yes, we have a mobile app available on iPhone and Android. How do you think our 82% of our members with full-time jobs follow what's going on during the day? They use the mobile app. So can you. You have a cell phone? Of course you do. Use it. That's all you need. Visualize this with me for a second. You're at work. Here we are at work. I'm at work, doing my thing, bang, up, ding. Mike just bought AMD call options. Great. I'm going to log in. I'm going to buy call options. I'm opening up my Webull account. I bought some call options. I set my stop loss. I put my phone back down. I'm back at work. I'm doing my thing. My phone rings. I'm picking up my phone, doing my thing. I'm answering some emails. 3 hours go by. Ding. Mike just took profit. Wow. The options are already up 40%. This is sick. We're going to log into our Webull account. We're going to take profit. We're going to adjust our stop loss. We're going to put our phone down. We're going to go back to work. Now we're going to leave work. We're going to go home. We're going to go hang out with our kids. We're going to eat dinner with the family. We're going to watch the football game. We're going to go to bed. We're going to wake up. We're going to drive back to work. We're going to curse off 5 people on the way to work, sitting in traffic. This guy cuts you off. We get to work. We're at work. All of a sudden, ding, phone goes off. Mike just took profit again. You log in. Wow, these options are up 110%. I'm going to take profit. Put your phone back down. Can you do that? Yes? Great. That's how 82% of our members that have full-time jobs participate and make money from what goes on our platform each and every single day. This is why you don't have to be sitting in front of your computer screen staring at charts and scanners all day long. There are 9 professional traders with you every day before the market opens until the market closes, telling you exactly what they are doing, what they're buying, what they're shorting, what calls they're buying, what puts they're buying, what they're seeing, what they're doing, what answering questions, giving their analysis every single day. Lean on us to do the heavy lifting for you. I understand you're not a professional trader. We are. Let us do what we do. You do what you do, and lean on us until you get to a point where you start making your own trades. And that's our goal. Our goal is to teach you how to fish, teach you how to stand on your own 2 feet. I want you to be able to identify good opportunities in the market without us having to tell you them. That's our goal. We got to welcome Stephen. Stephen, welcome to the family. Stephen, welcome. That means we're down to 15. 15. Go to ttgoffer.com. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops to $950. You see a laptop, you're getting one. 15 of those laptops remain. Again, it's a Windows 11 laptop, guys. Microsoft 365 included for a year. Use the trade with. Use it for work. Give it to your kids. Sell it on eBay. I don't care. It's our gift to you. 15 left. All right. All right. So let's head back on over to the charts. All right. Futures are down right now. We're down about a quarter point. We just still keep finding resistance up here at this all-time high. And I got to be honest with you guys, now that we're heading into earnings, I don't think we're going to break this all-time. Oh, we have to welcome Janelle. Excuse me. We have to welcome Janelle. Janelle, welcome to the family. 14 of these spots now remain. 14. I told you these are going to go quick, guys. So 14 spots left, 14 laptops left. Remember, the price is $1,500 after midnight tonight. You can get it for $950 right now. That includes a free laptop. They're first come, first serve. They're not going to last. There's only 14 left. So If the inflation data was not enough to push the SPY through all-time highs, I don't think earnings are going to be enough to push us through all-time highs. And I'll explain to you why. I'm actually expecting some softer guidance from not all companies, but enough companies to keep the S&P from making a new all-time high. If we do make a new all-time high, and I'm wrong about the new all-time high print, I do not think we break out through it. Meaning, what does that mean? Like you can make a new all-time high, but then not really go anywhere. Like you can actually print a new high, but it's not like a breakout and a rally. It'll be like a print new high and then, pull back to the downside. So because I think that you're going to get a lot of earnings that are going to be similar to what you saw from Nike. Nike gave you a warning a couple of weeks ago and the stock dropped 15% when they gave weak guidance going forward. I think you're going to see a little more of that. I also then take a look at how did stocks react that reported earnings on Friday, because earnings started on Friday. Okay. Friday, you started with the big banks, JP Morgan. Look at what happened to JP Morgan on the day of their earnings. JP Morgan gapped up see this white line? That's your previous all-time high. Your previous all-time high was made right there at the end of 2021. We broke above that all-time high on Friday when we had our earnings, but then the stock got punched right in the face. We were unable to hold above that all-time high and extend to make new all-time highs. You printed a new high and then the stock sold off. Okay. I am actually looking at JP Morgan for a short idea this week where I believe that this is a failed all-time high break. I want to show you very closely. See this teal blue line you guys see on my screen? See how this level has been, this line, that's the 9 exponential moving average. It's been support for the last 2 months. We are now underneath it. What I'm looking for on JP Morgan is bounce backs in JP Morgan after earnings to roll back to the downside. And I think JP Morgan has more room to the downside. And if you start to get these other banks that come out with their earnings, I think JP Morgan back to the low 160s. Right here is going to be my target for JP Morgan. I'm looking for pullbacks as the rest of the banks come out with their earnings. You had Citigroup, Bank of America, JP Morgan. You're going to get Goldman Sachs coming out now here this week. And I think that if earnings was not enough to break that all-time high on JP Morgan, then I see a little bit more profit taking. And I think that JP Morgan could roll its way back down to the low 160s by the end of this week. So we're going to be looking to see, I'm looking for like 170-ish. I'm looking for 170 to be resistance on JP Morgan. I'm looking for that 9 exponential moving average to be resistance and see if we can then get a drifting pullback fade off of JP Morgan, off of that 9 exponential moving average that can take us down maybe 6 points, 7 points or so to the downside. All right. That's going to be one of my ideas for this week. Is JP Morgan there to the downside after this failed new all-time high breakout after they reported earnings? Okay. So what I'm looking for here from the SPY is actually now a week of consolidation. See this channel that we are in, folks? I think we stay in this channel on the overall markets this week. I think we trade inside of this channel like this. I think we're going to trade inside of this channel as we come out with earnings and digest earnings, because although we're starting earnings season, we don't have the real heavy hitters yet this week. That's next week when you're going to start to get Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta. Those are the heavy hitters. We have to welcome Justine. Justine, welcome to the family. 13 of these spots now remain, guys. 13 of these laptops now remain. Everybody welcome Justine. There's 13 left. Remember, they're first come, first serve. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops all the way down to $950. See a laptop, you're getting one. Double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it. Text us with questions, 1-888-306-8783. All right. Now, you also have, I believe, Taiwan Semi is also reporting earnings. Now, Taiwan Semi, on the back of those earnings, I'm watching AMD. Now, what I'm actually looking for here with AMD is actually going to stay on my list here for a potential long idea. NVIDIA, as we know, just broke out to new all-time highs, right? Now, we still have a lot of strength in the SMH, the semiconductor ETF, NVIDIA leading the charge. What I want to see from AMD, this is more of like a secondary reaction kind of thing, because there's something very specific I want to show you. See that gap down? You have this gap down. This creates that high. And then following that high, you can see it's in this level is now acting as support. I want to see this level act as support again. And if that level acts as support again, then we should get the follow-through breakout in AMD. But I'm only looking for the long if this level holds. We have to welcome Brian, Laura, Samantha, and Georgia. Brian, Laura, Samantha, and Georgia. What is that, guys? 9? 9 left? Brian, Laura, Samantha, and Georgia. Welcome to the TTG family. Is that 9 left, Joe? I think that's 9 left. 9 of these spots now remain, guys. 9 laptops left. We had 20. Okay, we had 20. We are now down to 9. TTGoffer.com. TTG121 coupon code. Click apply code. Price drops to $950. See a laptop, you're getting one. There's only 9 left. Hurry up. Don't wait for the stream to be over. They will not last. So, folks, again, what I'm looking for, very specific price action. I want to see, do we hold, right? Do we hold this level? I'm going to draw it for you. Literally drawing it out for you. Right? This is what I want to see. If I see this, okay, if this is the candle that I see AMD make, then, folks, we are going to try to be long AMD for a break to new highs. Okay, so that's something that we're going to watch. Now, if AMD does not hold this level, doesn't mean I'm going to short it. It just means I'm not going to look for I'm not looking for the long. Like if AMD does this and we have this like breakdown candle, and let's say the candle, maybe tomorrow, let's say the candle looks like this, then I probably won't trade AMD this week if that level does not hold, because I don't necessarily want to try to short the name. At least right now, unless, something crazy happens or, depending on Taiwan Semi's earnings or anything else, we'll see. All right. But that's something that we're going to keep a close eye on there for AMD. Speaking of longs, ISRG. Now, ISRG is one of the healthcare names that I have had in my Outlook report in 2023. We named ISRG as a top pick in the healthcare space right here back in 2023. We reiterated that here in 2024. We reiterated it. Now you got this move to the upside, and we are knocking up right against a massive resistance double top at 368, 360. We had the big gap up there last week during the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference, and you can see now we are acting as resistance here. What I want to see is a bull flag form against this previous pivot high, and I want to see a bull flag form right here above the high 350s, form a little bit of a flag, and then break out to new all-time highs. So this is what we're looking for here on ISRG. We're going to see if we can make new all-time highs. My call was for ISRG to make new all-time highs this year. I didn't think it would happen in the first 3 weeks of the month, but let's see if we can form a bull flag here. Maybe we can hang out in the high 350s, allow the 9 EMA to catch up, and then form the bottom of that bull flag and then give you the breakout. That's ISRG. We're going to watch that very closely going into this week. Speaking of healthcare, I want to stay with United Health, UNH. UNH had earnings and it held a key support level. So here you had resistance. Here you had resistance. You broke out above it. you dropped into it, it became support. You dropped into it during earnings and it became support. What I would like to see here on UNH is I would like for this level to act as support, and I would like to see UNH climb back to the upside. Okay, I would like to see UNH do this because like ISRG, again, one of my thoughts is that UNH is going to make a new all-time high this year. That was one of my thoughts. I would like for this level down here to be support, and I'm looking for some signals here. Maybe yesterday's Friday's close. Friday's close is 521. So maybe like 521 being support, and see if we can break out through Friday's high. We want to get through Friday's high. I'll draw a line for you right across Friday's high. Why is it important? Not only is it important because it's Friday's high, but look at this pivot low. Bang. Look at the bottom of that tail. See that little level right there? Not a major level, but a minor level. If you break through that, you should see at least a pop back into the mid to high 430s, and that could be a really good trade for us. If we break down underneath this level, then I'm, again, not looking to short the stock. It just will not be a long for me, right? If we break this level, I'm not looking to short the name. It just will not be a long. Tesla. All right, so let's look at Tesla now. Tesla broke a big level on Friday. This was a monster trade for members inside True Trading Group on Friday. This is just a huge win for members of True Trading Group that was executed absolutely picture perfectly off of the prior 225 level. I want to show you this resistance that you see here at the 225 level. We broke above that level. It then became support. It then became support. It then became support. Then you dropped underneath it on Friday as Tesla announced they were shutting down production for 2 weeks at their Berlin plant because of everything that's going on in the Red Sea. They can't get the parts that they need. Okay. Not getting the parts that they needed. I just want to address something real quick. We've got Man Deep. So Man Deep right now is text messaging the phone number that we put on the screen. He's texting Adam right now. Adam is my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. So Man Deep is texting with Adam right now, talking smack about signing up last week and not getting a laptop. He asked tonight. Adam said no, because we didn't have laptops when he signed up. Now he's pissed off about it and says he asked tonight if he can get a laptop. Adam said no, nicely, and then offered to help with anything that he needed that was trading related. He said, well, is there anything trading related, anything we can help you with? Mandeep then goes on to say that he was going to get a lifetime membership, but then decided not to because of how we treat our members. Shame on you, Mandeep. If signing up for a lifetime membership was decided by a free laptop that has a value of under $500, shame on you. Shame on you. So Mandeep is upset because he joined True Trading Group when we were not offering a laptop. Now I have laptops. And Mandeep just thinks that he's entitled to a laptop because he's already a member of True Trading Group and just feels that he deserves to have a laptop. So shame on you, Mandeep. Shame on you. Yeah, because we've got I think 6 of those lifetime spots from the defaults. I believe there's 6. I believe that we have 6 of those lifetime membership spots from the people that defaulted on payment plans. Well, shame on you, Mandeep. You had an opportunity there. Adam, why don't you want to jump on and here, guys, I'll bring on Adam, actually. This is my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. Everyone say, what's up to Adam? Oh, he needs a minute. Adam needs a moment. All right, well, Adam, we'll wait for Adam to, here we go. I think he's ready.
Yo,
what's up?
What's up, buddy? It is one of those things, the funny thing, we did not have the laptops last week. We have them this week. We want to offer them out to people to get them to sign up tonight. But you know what's funny? And it's not Mandeep's fault because he does not know, because he just hasn't been here long enough, right? Oh, there he is. Hey. It's not his fault, right? Because he hasn't been here long enough. So he does not know that typically when we do something like this, where we offer a laptop, out at a reduced rate, and somebody paid to sign up and didn't get the laptop the week before, he doesn't know that a lot of times we end up giving the people that signed up the week previous extra study groups or a discount on something or something to make up for it. Not that we have to, because we don't, but we do. Every single time. So it's very easy to see people when they sign up, who they are, what their reasonings are, and honestly, I wish him nothing but the best. I hope he does well. I hope he does well. I hope that because look, I don't blame people for being people. And unfortunately some people, focus on the wrong things.
Yeah, I'd say.
So now he's saying that he wouldn't mind getting a call from Mike. I don't know what people think, with certain things, but here's the deal. He made a comment about lifetime membership, right? And I think there's probably a lot of lifetime members that are on this live stream right now. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me see. If you're a lifetime member of True Trading Group, can you go ahead and type the number 1 in chat? I'm not even going to attempt to count them because there's probably a lot, right? We have 11,549 members. 4,200 of them are lifetime members. 4,200. That's like 36% decided that they want to be here. forever. Now, out of that 36%, I'm a big data guy. How many of you paid more than $950 when you originally signed up for True Trading Group? Type the number 3 if you paid more than $950 when you signed up for True Trading Group.
Most of them.
Now, my last question for lifetime members and for all members of True Trading Group that are on here, would you do it again? Yes or no? Would you do it again?
There's so many number 3s coming through.
I believe that tells you everything you need to know.
Sure does, man.
So if you're somebody that is upset because you signed up last week and you didn't get a laptop for the $950 you paid, all of these people that you're seeing say type the word yes. Muggsy paid $13.35. He got a Kindle Fire tablet. You have to understand what we built here. The laptop is just our way to sweeten the pot for people that are on the fence. Most people came in here without a laptop. The laptop isn't about, it's literally just our way to get you over the hump to get in here. That's not why you join True Trading Group. That's not why anyone should join True Trading Group. You join True Trading Group for the following reason. And I'll leave it here with that. TTG members, if you are making money, type the number 1. If you are making money and you're becoming a better trader, type the number 1. This is why you join. Go buy yourself whatever laptop you want. We'll show you how to do it. Look at that. We'll show you the real way to make a lot of money. Not guaranteeing it, but we'll show you what we know so that you can go out and buy as many laptops as you'd love. But it's all good. Somewhere out there's a Discord for $25 a month that is more than happy to take your money, give you the illusion of something, but actually deliver nothing. Okay? And sell you a bunch of crap stock picks that do absolutely nothing for you or your family except money. Take money out of your pocket. Take money out of your kids' mouths. Don't worry, there's a Discord waiting for you. I promise.
Good luck.
I promise you.
Good luck.
It's all good. See, the thing here is that there's a lot of people that left True Trading Group after COVID settled, right? People went back to work. They went back to their lives, right? And what ends up happening is that over the last 90 days, over 1,000 of those people have come back. Why do you think that is? Think it's because I'm super fun and easy to get along with, and Mike's got pretty eyebrows? I promise you, I'm not super fun and easy to get along with. Mike does have nice eyebrows, but it's because what we built here works. And you can dislike my approach, and you can think that I'm unprofessional or that Mike is something or whatever. It doesn't matter. The people that talk the most crap, guess what? We'll see you in chat tomorrow. Isn't that crazy? The ones that talk the most smack are the ones that can't not sign in.
It's true.
They have to hate that every day. I would hate for that to be me. Is what it is, I guess.
I guess.
So let me tell you this. Yes, TTG is a family, and we're all family, and it's all good, and we're here. We leave no trader behind, and everything that Mike says. But here's the truth. Mike doesn't have to be your best friend. He doesn't owe you anything. I don't have to be your best friend, right? We don't need to be best friends and family. I don't even really enjoy most of my family. My immediate family, my wife and kids, yeah. But other than that, my brothers, not so much. I mean, I love my brothers, but outside of that, not so much. I'll tell you this. True Trading Group's a business. You pay us a fee for the year. We owe you a service. That's how this works. You pay us a fee. We owe you a service. If we do not deliver on that service, then you have every single right as a consumer to do whatever you need to do in order to let the world know or come after us or whatever. When you sign up, I don't have to be your best friend. I don't have to speak the way that you would want me to speak or Mike, none of that. I do need to make good on what we promise you. That I need to make good on. And whether or not I like you or you like me and we're all one big happy family, it doesn't matter. What matters is, are people making money? Are people becoming better traders? Are people becoming successful? And the answer is undoubtedly yes. You're seeing it firsthand. Christina Suprema says, it's okay, Michael. He'll be done processing out loud in a minute. I don't think that's why I don't think Mike is waiting for me. I mean, I'm pretty sure he agrees with everything that I said. Every
single thing that you said.
Wow, Christina, that must have Christina not so Suprema. You know? Anyways, look. And I'm getting a ton of messages now asking me about, well, why was this person being offered a lifetime membership? It's very simple. We have 6 remaining defaulted spots for lifetime membership. We only sell them to existing members. There was a text that went out on Friday, and Mandeep was on that list. He didn't respond to that message, but tonight he asked about the laptop.
Funny how that works.
Funny how that works. It's all good. So, no, it is what it is, right? That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it's the truth. You know, it is the truth, guys. Don't join True Trading Group because of a laptop. Join True Trading Group so you can go buy your own laptop. That's the easiest way for me to put it. So again, go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down to the $950. If you see a laptop, that means that you are getting one.
Yeah,
We've got
you know what? What I would like to do.
What?
How many spots we have? How many laptops we have left?
9.
Let's end it there for laptops. Let's just do 9 spots. Let's save 9 for tomorrow night when we raise the price. Obviously, people are confused.
You guys done did it now.
No. It's fine. Sign up for the $950 and make some real money. Buy whatever laptop you want. Let's see who's serious. Hell, maybe I still give you the laptop because you signed up without it.
I see what you're doing there. Just letting people show their intentions.
Yeah. I don't want a bunch of bottom feeders signing up to get a free laptop, dude.
I like it. Well, folks, I can't guarantee you a laptop. because we're done giving them away, but maybe we'll give them we'll give them out anyway. If anyone that does join, knowing they're not going to get one, maybe Adam will give you one anyway. So again, it's ttgoffer.com, and the coupon code for the 950 price point, which is 57% off, is TTG121. Any questions? Again, don't forget, text us 1-888-306-8783. All right, back to Tesla. That 225 level, like I said, resistance, support. And then on Friday, resistance. Okay. So I don't know. This Tesla idea is short to 205. All right. 205 is going to be to this support, or 206, 205, 206. So see that open gap? You had the gap up in early November. That gap was then closed and filled in November with a double bottom, and it became support. So we're looking for Tesla to get down to this level here within the next week or so. Maybe this rolls into next week. But I want to just keep 225 on our list here, because if Tesla tries to get back to 225, I'm going to try to short 225 and see if the level that used to be resistance then became support now is acting as resistance. I'm going to see if it's still resistance and see if we can get Tesla down to 205 to 206. Okay. So that's going to be Tesla down to 205, 206. All right. And then last, but certainly not least, last one on my list here is going to be Moderna to fade back down towards 100, maybe even get back to 95. I think it'll take time for Moderna to get there. But what I want to show you is a very clear double top here at this level. That's been this is just an unbelievably massive level for Moderna. Right. So you guys can just see here this level on Moderna. It's the mid 1-teens. So like 115, 117, 116, that whole area there on Moderna. You can see we ran up into it, became resistance. Now you're rejecting off of it. And you got this kind of rejection at the 200-day. You have this little support level here around 105, 106. If that breaks, I just think you kind of bleed it out. And there's a beautiful support level here at 95 that might take some time to get there, but there's previous pivot resistance, and there's the 100-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is also curling its way up. So you can get a situation where you drop, might take a week or two to get there, but it just looks like this thing wants 95, and then it can kind of base out and stabilize and find its footing there at 95. And that's kind of what I'm thinking about there. And that kind of wraps up my top trade ideas there for the week. Obviously, we're going to get some ideas that are going to get added to the watch list once we get all of these earnings that start to come out. We're going to see, new stocks will come onto my watch list as they report earnings this week. Okay. So I can't give you those because I don't know what the earnings report is actually going to be, but once the earnings report comes out, whether it's good, bad, whatever, then I'll be going over with members inside your training group what I want to do with that. We got to welcome Jason. Jason's the newest member of the group. So everybody welcome Jason. Guys, Jason, welcome to the family. Again, folks, go to ttgoffer.com. You must manually type in the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $9.50. You've got the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. If you can't make back the $9.50 at least once, we'll give you back $1,900, double what you guys are paying. Price jumps to $1,500 at midnight tonight. So get the 57% discount right now while you still can. Any questions? Text us 1-888-306-8783. Folks, that wraps up my top trade ideas for the week. That wraps up the analysis part of the live stream. So if you guys are not interested in the membership at all, you can sign off the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you go. For those of you that are interested, I'll actually take a moment and show you what the platform looks like so you guys can see exactly what that 950 is going to get you. Before I do that, I want to welcome Christopher. Christopher is the newest member of the group, guys. Everybody welcome Christopher. Again, go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code, price drops to $9.50. Check out. You are good to go. Christopher, welcome to the TTG family. So let me show you guys what the platform looks like a little bit, because obviously here's our chat room. Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screens. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions from pre-market to the close. You got the mobile app to get the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit trades directly from your cell phone. You're going to get 2 private study group sessions to speed up your learning curve with our mods. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data to track trades by Congress. You're going to get TradingView's premium charting software. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use, so you know you can focus on the hottest stock store on the day. You got a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. Okay. You're going to get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, all included when you guys join. This is expensive stuff. Some of you may pay for this stuff already. You don't have to pay for it anymore. It's included when you guys join your trading group. You get a trading journal that tracks your trading for you. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. Analyst ratings on any company that you're interested in with our stock profile tool. Watch lists from our mods that give you guys exactly the stocks they're focused on with entry and exit points every day. Then you have our courses. Our courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You guys get it included for the $9.50. There's no upsell for special VIP courses when you guys join your trading group. You will also be getting access to our video library. Our video library has over 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. You can start attending these workshops live when you guys become full-time members. Listen, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, actually use the platform, and are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $950 membership fee at least once during your membership, I'll give you back $1,900. Again, we can do that because our refund rate is well under 2.5% and our retention rate is 78%. All you've got to do is go to ttgoffer.com and enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, the price drops to $9.50, check out, and you're good to go. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate. Text us 1-888-306-8783. That's it tonight, folks. That does it. Congratulations to all my Packers fans. Let's go Buccaneers. I hate the Eagles. I hate the Cowboys. I'm a Giants fan. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. If you have not done so already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on these lives. It's the start of earnings season, baby. It's going to be a good one. I'll see you guys all in chat. Take care, guys.